Monkeypox is not as easily spread as something like COVID, which can easily spread just by being in close proximity to someone who is infected. Monkeypox historically has needed direct physical contact. We can see how much of a difference this mode of transmission makes by comparing R0 values of COVID and monkeypox. The R0 value refers to the average number of people that each infected individual is expected to transmit the disease to. In essence, this number looks at how spreadable an infectious disease is. The original COVID-19 variant was estimated to have an R0 between 2 and 3. The more contagious Delta variant is estimated to have an R0 value between 5 and 7. And the more recent Omicron variant is estimated to have an R0 as high as 8. This means that every one individual infected with the Omicron variant of coronavirus is estimated to infect around 8 other people. And then each of those 8 people can be expected to infect another 8 people, and so on and so forth. This is how coronavirus has been able to spread so quickly. Most R0 estimates from earlier outbreaks of monkeypox, by comparison, are less than 1. This means that some individuals infected with monkeypox don't even infect a single other person. As a result, the virus isn't spread efficiently through humans to allow it to sustain itself in the population.